YellowGate Installation Guide. Listed are the tools needed to install the YellowGate safety gate. Step 1. Determine which orientation of the gate hinge and clapper plate is needed for the application. Parallel, the preset configuration out of the box, or perpendicular. The following steps are only necessary if you are switching to a perpendicular configuration. Skip to step 2 if you are choosing the parallel configuration. Step 2. Attach gate using one of the 3 types of bolt anchors provided. Step 3. Adjust gate to the proper length and tighten clamps to set. YellowGate. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Super fast install, pre-assembled, OSHA compliant, safety swing gates.